Hello there. Today in my daily personal development teachings I would like to read you a quote from a little booklet called The Secret Daily Teachings by Rhonda Byrne. She's of course the person who wrote The Secret, the book with all the clever ideas about the laws of attraction. And today is just one short quote that I think can help immensely in reaching your goals. Sorry. No matter where you are, no matter how difficult things might appear to be, you are always being moved toward magnificence. Always. So keep that in mind. Write this quote down, or at least the word magnificence, and see where you're going, okay? Good luck.